Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Jenny here, the Uncrafty Crafter. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Let me know how you're doing this week. How's the weather been? Is it humid as you know what where you live? Because boy howdy, it's been crazy here. Look what I have. It's by Staroar. It is called Glamorous Sky. It's a 34 by 45 centimeter, and it is a full rhinestone. Do you see the colors in that? Like, can you imagine that being a full rhinestone? I'm gonna have to wear glasses, sunglasses, just to be able to sit in the room with this painting. That's how bright this is gonna be. I'm so excited. Let's open it up, shall we? If I can find the... Well, you have to be smarter than the package, Jenny. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. So pretty. I already see all those bright colors on the canvas. Look at that, how bright and pretty. Here is your little booklet. Comes with this nice little thingy here, thingy-maflodger doodaddy on the back that tells you your drill number. It has 26 colors. Gives you the actual drill number, and then how many you need, and then how many you have. So they give you way more than you actually need, just in case you have trashy drills that you need to get rid of. Yeah, so instruction pamphlet, nice. If you like to use storage containers like your Elizabeth Ward system or your Harbor Freight, even if you use baggies, you can cut these little symbols, the numbers or whatever you know that you like to use out, and I just use Scotch tape to tape them to my containers. First of all, let's pull this. Oh, I'm so excited to see this. Oh my goodness. Look at the color. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got a toolkit in here too somewhere. Hold on. And we have a toolkit. I'm gonna open this up, kind of let it lay flat a little bit and relax while we look at some of these other things. Okay? All right. So you get sheets of release paper, which is really nice to have. I love those. I keep all of them. I actually have a whole slew of them here. Yeah, underneath this, got a whole bunch that are, I keep them binder clipped. But yeah, I got a bunch of them. But I keep a binder clip on them just to keep them nice and tidy. So here's the toolkit. Let's take a really quick gander at it. You get a pen. You get these, ooh, there's a blue wax. Nice. Blue wax. I've heard really good things about the blue wax. I have yet to try that. Okay, and we have a 7-placer and a boat with a funnel on the end. And then you have a 4-placer. You get plastic bags to put your leftover drills in when you're finished. And you can actually write on these what the DMC code is if you'd like to. And then there is a spacer in here as well. So you get 2 multi-placers, and then you get this spacer that you can use to kind of line up your drills if they get a little catterwampus or whatever you want to call it. You know, whenever they get all out of whack and crooked. look like I've had a few drinks too many, you know. Woohoo! If I can get these bags back in there, I'd be happy. Put the pin back in there. Tweezers are really nice tweezers. They're branded. They say Staroar on them. They're the blunt ends, so they're not the stabby ones that like will kill you and make you bleed. Thank you, Staroar. Okay. This canvas has 26 colors. This is a full rhinestone. It has a legend here on the, not a legend, but an actual like checklist on the bottom as well that kind of shows you how many bags of each drills that you get. It's a 40 by 30. The fabric size is a 44 by 35. That's good for framing reference if you're going to frame your canvas. It's called Glamorous Sky. Canvas is always super sticky from Staroar. Let's double check. Just see. Yep, it's sticky. Lots of pretty colors. The symbol clarity is really good. Nice and clear. Okay. Okay, now you ready to check these drills out? These rhinestones. If you don't like the noise, just stick your fingers in your ears until you see that I've got them out of the bag. And if you got an extra pair of sunglasses hanging around, you might want to grab them because these might put your eyeballs out because they shiny, shiny. All right, here. Look at all that color. I'm going to show them from the opposite side so you can actually see the color, right? It's sort of a goldish yellow. It's like a brighter goldish yellow. Another goldish yellow. Are those the same colors? 32. 20, 08, 07. I'm not, I don't think so. That's a bright color too. That's pretty. A lot of yellows to cover all this down here. So yeah, lots of pretty golds. That's a black. That is actually 310, I'm pretty sure. And I'm thinking that with these full rhinestone kits, the blacks are not rhinestone, they're just black. But to be honest, you can see through the bag. The black ones, those shine like crazy anyway. There's some more goldish color with a couple little pink ones in there, it looks like. Hard to see what that color actually is. Can't really tell, guys. This is a pretty pink. Ooh, that's pretty. Kind of a peachy color. Blue. Some more pink. Some orangey colors. That's kind of, that's a white or a very pale blue. I'm not really sure. There's like an orangey red. I'm not good at the, like, I should not be in charge of the person who names the colors because, yeah, orangey red is probably, or like, I'm not really sure. This is kind of a blue, you know, another blue. That's kind of a reddish color. See, there we go. A reddish color. Yeah. Don't put me in charge of naming color names because that is not my thing. The purple, it's kind of a light turquoisey blue. I like that. This is, looks like a grayish kind of, that looks like a purple, more teal, a red color, some more purple, and some green. Yeah, greenish yellow maybe. Those are super pretty. I can't wait to see what all that looks like on there. So, anyway, we have our little snaky snake hair drills. But yeah, I am excited to do this one because at the time that I'm recording this, I actually have another full rhinestone kit that I have, or wait a minute, do I? This may be the one I'm thinking of. I'm not sure if I have another one or not, but I'm pretty sure this might be the one that I'm thinking about. But anyway, whatever, we won't even, I think I'm just thinking out of my butt and not out of my head. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to Amazon in the description box below. Again, I got it from Amazon. It was on Prime at the time that I bought this. It may not be now. If it's not, you can find it at staroar.com. It's called Glamorous Sky, and it was whoops, I dropped my drills. It was a full rhinestone kit. Can't remember the price, but I'm thinking it was somewhere in the neighborhood of $20-ish. So, yeah. If you like it, be sure to check it out. And give this video a big old thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe if you have subscribed. Make sure to hit the notification bell, ding, 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 to get notified the next time I upload another video. And that will be all. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.